Good morning, everyone. Today, chapter 1 we started. Then, know about what is force. It is an external agent, either a pull or push, which change or tends to change the state of rest or state of motion. We know force is equal to mass into acceleration. What is unit is kg into meter per second square, and its SI unit is Newton. Listen, what is force? Force is whenever you pull or push force are acting a body. If a body is stable, then you must be apply a force, pull or push force. It goes to motion, so it's known as force. Then comes to moment. Moment is a turning effect of a force. Moment nothing but moment is a twisting effect. That means you rotate a body in twisting wise. Then comes to moment of force. The rotational effect or turning effect of a force on a body is called as a moment. The next one, to calculate the moment of force at any point is equal to product of force and perpendicular distance between the point and the force. The moment may be clockwise or anti-clockwise. What is clockwise? Clockwise means rightward direction, anti-clockwise means opposite direction. So what is moment of force? Moment of force is force into perpendicular distance between the point is known as moment of force. Then comes to type of support. There are three types of support. First one is fixed support, second one is hinged or pin support, third one is roller support. Okay, then discuss about what is fixed support. Fixed support is one side is fixed, then one side is fixed, then its reaction are three. Fixed support, there are three reactions. There is no movement, no translate, no rotation. It not movement or not translate or no rotation. Then hinge support, there are two reaction, and it also no movement, no translate, but rotation are allowed. It can rotate but not movement and not translate. Then comes to roller support. Roller support, one reaction, then it rotate, translate and movement. It can happen all. It also rotate, it can translate, and it can movement, also movement, because of there is roller support are given below a beam or a structures. Then comes to what is center of gravity. You must be studying first semester, second semester mechanics. You know about what is center of gravity. It is the point where whole weight of a body is assumed to pass through or assumed to act. That means a body carrying its whole weight to a certain point is known as center of gravity. Okay, then for plane figure, CG is known as centered. It is the point where the entire area of the figure is assumed to be concentrated. Then there are two types of section. One is symmetrical section. Second one is unsymmetrical section. Symmetrical section is that whenever you cut a body in long x-axis and y-axis, it it separate both sides equally is known as symmetrical section. Then unsymmetrical section, if you cutting part of a body is not equally, then it's known as unsymmetrical section. Then how to calculate CG of x-axis and CG of y-axis. This is the formula of CG of x-axis and CG of y-axis. X-axis, whenever you calculate the CG of x-axis, the formula is a1 x1 plus a2 x2 divided by a1 plus a2. And then this type y bar, it also a1 y1 plus a2 y2 divided by a1 plus a2. Okay, to remember all these sections, CG of x-axis, CG of y-axis, and also its area. Most necessary. Then after we're discussing about the next class, what is its problem of difference section. That means symmetrical section. On symmetrical section problems are going to discuss our next class. So must be remember this page and read, and I will ask you next class.